Finally, one last thing, guys. This isn't one of my one last examples, I promise. I'm going to keep this really quick. There was one more thing that I needed to show you here. And it just got added. Miss Stromer made something, and I need to show it to everybody. Okay, so here's CEC's digital learning guidelines. Since this is sort of new to everybody, and there's obviously some etiquette issues and things like that, so take your time to read this. I've linked it in our Canvas. It just talks about check your Canvas pages and emails daily. They're going to keep attendance through checking this Canvas. Remember, Canvas records it when you come in there and check and things like that. Attend teacher tutoring hours. Now that's in the schedule right here. Now I've linked this into Canvas. I'm going to show you where, and hopefully that'll be helpful for you. So there's a schedule you need to look at. It talks about asking questions when you need help. Make sure you have a good workspace and things like that. See if you can get the teacher help thing in here too. Computer help, I'm sorry. Remember to wear appropriate clothing when you're doing a Zoom conference call. We will begin those next week. Anyway, let me show you where I put this. If you're in Math 1, it's in the same place for Math 3. Under course announcements, I got a link right here. It goes directly to that PDF file. Okay, same thing for Math 3. Okay, you got the same link, and both of you now have access to my YouTube channel. Now, this isn't my Cool Fishing YouTube channel that I'm going to start soon, but this is a math educational YouTube channel. And it's through Craven County Schools, and it's, it's that kind of channel. But any of these videos that you missed or something like that, you can't find them, if you click this link and go to our channel, same thing for Math 1, you're going to see all of it right there again. One last thing that I did forget to mention a minute ago, this is for Math 1 and 3 both, we are doing the same grading scale. Look, when you see the color of the assignment in the agenda, that's where you need to be careful about skipping different things. Remember, there's not many quizzes. It might be one a week at most. There's going to be purple and greens. And skipping purples is a lot more damaging to your grade than skipping a green. So anyway, keep that in mind. Same stuff's going on. We didn't change a whole lot, and that is it this time. And thank you guys for watching. And look, be safe out there. And I hope everyone's well, and see you later.